Well, it was your typical summer day today out there, very hot and very humid, and our typical high for this time of year is around 83 degrees. We were well above that across the area today, making our way into the upper 80s and lower 90s. And while our actual air temperature high today was around 90 degrees, it was feeling much hotter than that because we had that high humidity, and that put our heat index values into the upper 90s and even the triple digits for some areas. And that's going to be the case as we head throughout the next 2 days. So tomorrow we'll have highs climbing into the lower 90s. Dew points will rise into the mid and upper 70s. That'll put our heat index values well into those triple digits tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. That heat will carry over with us into Tuesday. Similar situation here, but then by Wednesday, temperatures drop. Humidity will still be slightly high, but not going to be feeling anything like Monday and Tuesday. So by the time we get to Wednesday, we'll get some much needed relief as a cold front drops through. But for tomorrow, it's likely going to be our hottest and most muggy day of the week. And because of that, we do have some heat headlines in effect right now. So for tomorrow, we have a heat advisory in place for all of these areas that you're seeing here covered in orange. And then those hot pinks down to our south and off to our west, that is an extreme heat warning. So that's where we're going to have those heat index values 110 plus degrees. But regardless of where you're at, it's going to be hot and it's going to be humid. And so because of that, just make sure that you're taking the heat safety precautions, staying hydrated if you're going to be outside at all, taking breaks in the shade or indoors. Also checking on your friends, family, pets, elderly, anyone that might be sensitive to that heat, but also paying attention to your own body and watching out for any signs of any heat related illnesses as well. For right now, though, current conditions showing a quiet evening out there, but zoom things out, we do have a batch of some showers and storms moving in from the north. That'll be moving in here within the next hour, 2 hours or so. So that's what we'll be watching out for there. Rain will continue overnight and into early tomorrow morning. Temperatures will fall really not too far into the low to mid 70s. Then tomorrow we'll have that rain clearing out. We'll be left with a mix of sun and clouds as we head through the day. Temperatures will climb into the lower 90s. Humidity is going to go up, and it's just going to be feeling very uncomfortable and hot out there. So for tonight, here's timing things out for you. We'll start to have those rain and storms move in from the north, likely around 2 a.m. Those will move in from the northwest to the southeast. So that's likely what we'll wake up to tomorrow morning. So might need an umbrella as you're heading out the door, but things should start to clear out by the mid-morning hours. We'll have the sunshine, the heat, and the humidity through the rest of the day. Then Monday night into Tuesday, kind of going to be a rinse and repeat situation. We'll have those rain and storm chances going up around the midnight hour, moving through into early Tuesday morning before we start to dry things out. But between tonight into tomorrow morning, as well as Monday night into Tuesday morning, we do have the possibility for some severe storms with a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe storms covering all of the area tonight, and then a level 2 out of 5 risk for tomorrow into Tuesday morning, especially for areas north of Highway 20. Main rain risk that we'll be watching out for both nights will be some damaging winds, as well as some heavy downpours and some lightning and thunder as well. By Tuesday morning, that rain will clear out. We'll have the sunshine through the rest of the day. Still going to be hot and very humid. But by Tuesday night into Wednesday, we'll have a cold front sweep through. That will lead to some more scattered, even widespread activity overnight and through the day on Wednesday. And this is going to lead to some cooler and much more comfortable temperatures by the time we get to the middle and end of the week. So the next few days, we're in those lower 90s, high heat, high humidity, lots of sunshine with some isolated chances for some showers and storms overnight. Then by Wednesday, we'll have the rain through the day, but temperatures going to be a lot more nicer, falling into the upper 70s through the rest of the week and into next weekend.